Hi friends, welcome to new video. In this video I am going to show a special frame concept photo editing tutorial. I hope you really enjoy this tutorial and you also like this video, okay? Now let's check in the video without wasting time. This is the background I am going to use now. I only created this background, okay? Frame background PNG, and I use this frame PNG, and I will give this link in the description. You can go and download it. First of all, directly you have to open Picsart with this background and you have to add your model image, okay? Go to add photo and select the model image. Friends, this is the image I am going to use now. Now directly go to cutout. Now draw the outline of the model image, okay? So you have to cut the outline of the model image and you have to erase the background completely. Now what you have to do is you have to fill these portions by using this brush, okay? You have to fill it. And after filling, what you have to do, you have to tap on. Okay, friends, this is how it look like the model image, okay? But what you have to do, you have to tap on this arrow, because anyway it will save it in my stickers. Now tap on tick and you have to go to draw. Go to draw. Now in this draw you have to go to add photo and select the stickers and go to my stickers, go to cutout, and you have to select your model image. Friends, this is the model image. Now first of all you have to decrease opacity so you can find where you are placing your model, okay? You have to arrange perfectly in this position, okay? Perfect. Now by using this eraser tool, tap on the square, tap on fill, tap on this arrow, tap on this eraser, set, and go to shape, set. Now by using this shape eraser you have to erase these unwanted parts, okay? Again make it confirm, okay, done. Now you have to erase it perfectly. It will take some time, friends, but you have to do with concentration. Done. Now this side. Very simple and easy and attractive photo editing tutorial, friends. Frame photo editing. And I hope I am bringing nice tutorials for you. And done, friends. On both sides we erased, and you have to increase the opacity, friends. Done. Now tap on take. Now what you have to do is you have to bring it back. Now go to tools, go to adjust, go to saturation, increase the saturation and erase on the face, okay? And go to brush and increase the size, decrease the opacity and draw a lightly. Now tap on take. Now what you have to do is you have to add the PNG, black line PNG. You have to go to stickers. Anyway I will give this, friends, anyway I will give this sticker link in the description. You can go and download there. Now arrange perfectly. Now tap on it, friends, and you have to add the alone sticker, okay? I will give this sticker also, link in the description, okay? Arrange perfectly. Friends, finally our special concept photo editing tutorial is completed and I hope you really enjoy this tutorial. Now tap on tick. Now go to draw, tap on these three dots and save this image and have fun. See you next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial. Friends, if you really enjoy this tutorial, please consider like, subscribe and share it.